Well, welcome back to another Beneath the Waves fishing adventure. Today, we're back out on the kayak. This is a bit of a strike mission. I've parked my car on the other side of the southeast coast. And what we're going to do this morning is drift from our entry point all the way to the furthest point on the southeast coast, La Roque Harbour. The reason we do this, it's a big tide, 35 foot. The tide is going to rip in and we do not want to be paddling against the tide on our way back. And what we're going to do in between it is surface lure fish. And fingers crossed, we can get into those bassels.
Wow, this is stunning here today. It's so clear. Well, good morning and welcome back to another fishing adventure. As you can probably see from the shots coming into this area, it's absolutely flat calm today. There's literally no wind. We've actually got a massive tide, which we usually don't come out on. But what we're going to do is we are actually going to go from here and work our way all the way down the coast to La Roque, because the tide's going to just push us all the way there. As you can see, it's starting to flow through already. The sun's probably going to pop up through the haze in about half an hour, which is nice. So bass hour commences right now. Let's go. 10 roux, 79 injection. Business end, bait fish, Asturie. Well, what a beautiful morning. As you can see, it's absolutely flat calm. I've chosen Asturie. Chris is using a small little Frosty, pretty much my favourite and probably the best lure that I've ever used out on the gullies. But recently I've had some luck on the Asturie, so that's why I'm just gonna start with this. It's very erratic, it's some lure.
I know it's really hot, it's not nice 39 degrees here, but you can't moan that
I've just spotted a bird or two just on the edge over here. I've not had anything in this area. Robbo's working the little section behind me, so there's a little bird over there sitting, waiting, wishing, and last time I was out, the birds were the indicator.
As we approach these couple of birds that are dipping dining right out in front of me on the kayak, what we really want to see is loads of birds causing a commotion on the surface, like you can see here. I filmed this a couple of days ago. I spotted these birds out to sea in front of my house and they were going absolutely mental on some bait fish. You can see this milky kind of cloudy colour on the water, and I'm pretty sure this is where the birds have been chewing and eating up all the fish and possibly bass. Looking a little bit closer, you can actually see bass or mackerel in the water flashing around under the surface. But this is really what you want to see when you're out on the kayak or out on the boat. Where the birds are or where the bait fish are, and where the bait fish are or where the birds are. Let's carry on fishing.
Oh! You in? Nice. I could hear that hitting your surface lure from here. Mate, I heard that from here. Chris has just nailed our first fish of the morning. Oh, there you go. Bang! I'm in as well. There we go, first fish of the morning. Only small. There you go, I took it off a little bit nicer for all the haters out there. People say that I'm taking fish off too erratically. Obviously never been on a kayak before. Cuttlefish, right next to my boat. Huh? Oh, look at that. Oh, this was just drifting by my boat. A dead cuttlefish.
his eyes are still.
Oh, There's fish in front of us. There's fish in front of us. I thought it was you casting. Fish right there. Oh look, bait fish all jumping next to my lure as well. Sand eels. Yeah, I'm coming over for a picture anyway. Well done, mate. Oh, lovely, mate. Well done. That was right next to my yak as well, you cast. I think I'm going to change. I was on the Asturie, but I've not had any luck. I'm going to put Frosty on as well. All hail the Frosty. The Frosty. I've not had much luck on the Asturie this morning, so I've just gone to a Frosty. Oh! What's behind me? Oh! Oh, there you go! I've seen like 10 fish behind me, I'm pretty sure. Oh! I love this shit! Oh! I've seen about 5 fish behind me just being weird, like. Oh, I love this. That was awesome. There we go. Small fish, nothing big. Well, that was a little moment of magic. What happened is there were like 4 or 5 fish on me and they were rolling on it. It was causing big disturbances behind the lure. And then one of them just crashed, wallop, bang, and done its thing, like quality. What a stunning morning. It's absolutely breathtaking. Look at that. It's 6:30 in the morning. We've probably been out an hour since we really started fishing. We've had a few fish each. It's not been special, but the fishing's not been special. But I tell you what, the morning is special. It's an absolutely stunning morning. Flat calm, flat as a witch just hit. Hardly any boats out. Tide rising. And yeah, this. How magnificent is that? Absolutely stunning. I'm whispering because it feels fishy. I feel like if I start shouting, I might scare any fish around. So we're going to just keep working. And like I say, the end goal is the pier right over there. We've got about 2.5 hours to get there. So maybe, yeah, 3.5 hours to get there. And all I can hear is Chris Robinson over there getting nailed by fish. This area looks savage. Doesn't it? Oh, oh, good fish, I think. Oh, I don't know. Could be the run, could be just a nicer fish. Get in, mate. I don't know, mate. I'm telling you, it's not really run. Oh! That was that was an alright fish. I think it's my hooks need to be a bit sharper. Did you get nailed again?
Well, yeah, straight in the surface.
Well, I've gone back to the Asturie because I feel like I've got sharper hooks. A fish being on for that long shouldn't have been popped off. How did I pop that fish off before? Oh my god, look how many fish are behind me.
Just then?
Yeah. Just in this run. Well, you don't notice it until you're next to a rock. Ah, psh. Ah! He homed in on that, like.
You've got to fucking smash
Mate.
him up. If he takes that, you can't fucking.
If he takes that, I can net it.
Yeah.
He came down like a what's it
Pump
called?
into it.
F-35 Raptor. He came in like an F-35 Raptor. Oh! Didn't even see that fish take it. Oh, mate, this could be a good fish. Where's my net gone? No, don't snap off the front. Oh, mate, best fish of the day.
Well, mate, there's bait fish jumping out the water in front of us.
Oh, yes, big keeper.
Good keeper.
Oh, beautiful fish. No, mate, keep fishing. Don't come to me. Beautiful fish. Probably a nice keeper. Bait fish just everywhere in this little area. There we go. Lovely little fish. Lovely. This looks tasty, this run. This one looks tasty.
I reckon we should start over there, mate, and run.
Well, I'm going to go along this.
That's what I mean. We're in
Bit-
the same place, but I'll keep
All of this now to the rock is reef. Right, we're coming into a nice game zone now. There's got to be bass in here.
that head there is screaming.
This area is asking for trouble. Wow, this looks stunning in here. This area is asking for trouble. It's very reefy. The sun's come up a lot now, so it's making it difficult, but this looks gorgeous. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. I wonder if you caught that on camera. That fish was coming out of the water. This is just magnificent. Oh, there you go. There's a fish. I didn't even... Oh, wow. Oh, no. There we go. Probably the best fish of the day. Hear a dog barking on the beach, absolutely stunning. This area here is just absolutely magnificent. There we go. Probably the nicest fish of the day so far. He's gonna be coming back with me tonight for dinner. A beautiful fish, really nice fish, beautiful. Oh, that was a lovely fish. I'm just going to drift through here. It's absolutely stunning. I've just had my nicest fish of the day, albeit the one I hooked and lost before was a lovely fish, but I'm just going to fish through here. It's lovely, shallow ground. We're just drifting nice and slowly. The end point is in sight. The Rock Pier is just over there, so you can have a drift through here. It's just absolutely magnificent. It's been a stunning morning. I really can't comprehend how lovely it's actually been. But yeah, beautiful. And I hope you're still tuned in. If you got to this point in the video, please give it a like and leave a comment. What's your favourite, as I always say, top water look? There you go. That's just the keeper for the day. It's nothing special, probably 50 centimetres, but can't go wrong. I lost a couple of nicer fish today, but right, that's the trip over. Just gutted the fish, cleaned it up, ready to go. We're just sorting the kayaks out, put them on the roof, get home, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been great fun. Great fun. Birds are working out there. Look at the birds out there, man. They're all over it. All diving just there. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As I say, it's been a beautiful morning. The sun just got too bright in the end. The fishing went dead. That's why it pays to get out nice and early and just enjoy the fruits of what we have here in Jersey or anywhere that you live. I'm talking rubbish. It's time to go home. Coffee time. Boom.